Welcome to my channel. Is your Wi-Fi signal weak in some rooms? Let's set up your Altice Wi-Fi extender step by step and fix that today. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug your Altice Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main router. Wait until the power light becomes stable. Step 2a. Connect using WPS. Press the WPS button on your main router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Altice extender. Wait until the Wi-Fi light turns solid. That's it. Extender is connected. Connect your phone or laptop to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Open a browser and type the setup address, printed on the extender label. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Click connect and wait for confirmation. Once the light becomes solid, setup is complete. Step 3. Choose placement. Move the extender halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Make sure the signal light shows good connection. Avoid placing it behind thick walls or metal objects. Step 4. Test connection. Connect your device to the extended Wi-Fi network. Run a speed test or browse the internet to confirm it's working. That's it. Your Altice Wi-Fi extender is now set up and ready to boost your signal. Like and subscribe for more Wi-Fi setup guides. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.